I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to add supplies and make purchases here in KIBO. Expense tracking is really important to the survival of any business, and we've designed a purchase module in our solution here to be able to track your expenses in your business. The key thing to note here is every expense in your business is tied to a particular supplier. So every time you want to record, you have to make sure that supplier is registered first. So I'm going to jump right in and show you how to add new suppliers to your KIBO account. So you go to your master over here, and then you go down to supplier submenu, and this takes you to a page here, which is the supplier main page. You can see a quick summary of supplier, company email, and company phone number. To add a new supplier, we're just going to go click this button over here, add supplier. It brings us to a form that we fill very quickly. I'm going to add a medication supplier, so I'll call it company medication supplier. Put a fictitious number and put in medication city, medication country. Company email, we'll do medication at email. So all of this should actually be the information of your person. So we would go medication contact. So this is the contact person, who's your main person there. And we would go another fictitious number. And the business description is medication supply. After you've put in all that information, you hit save. So it says here, we're just going to put at email.com, save. And you will notice once that's done that we now have medication supply has been created, and we have that on our summary table. So after that's done, now I want to actually make purchase. So let's assume I want to buy feeds. I go into my purchase main menu here, click purchase. So this summarizes all the recent purchases we've made. So the date, the purchase code, which is automatically created, the supplier, the type of purchase I've made. KIBO supports 4 types of purchases. You have batch, feed, you have your medication purchase, and general expense, and the amounts you paid for. So we do add a new purchase over here, and this gives us a quick date of what's the date we're buying, so you're able to backdate your purchase if you forgot to record one. So first thing you do is select a supplier. So let's select fingerlings. Let's buy a new batch, and I say the type, see feed, batch, medication, expenses. So we're buying a new batch. So depending on the type you actually create, depending on the type you're trying to make, you actually get different options down here. So let's look at feeds. You have stock feeds, you have feeds, quantity, unit cost. Batch, you get average weight, batch saddle, quantity, and unit cost. Medication, you get medication name, quantity, and unit cost. And under expenses, you actually get different options. So advertising expense and other different variations, quantity, and unit cost. So for today's tutorial, we're going to be in a batch. So we average with a 0.003. Batch saddle, we'll call it batch 05. Quantity, let's go 5,000 pieces that we are buying at 20 naira per piece. All I do is hit save. Boom. And KIBO has now recorded purchase 0027 fingerlings batch that I paid 100,000 naira for. So that's your quick purchase module here in KIBO, and how to also add a supplier in KIBO account. Thank you.